Alright, welcome back peeps to Homestead Tips and Tricks. We are resetting a 2012 Honda Odyssey maintenance minder oil life. So you want to turn the key into the accessory position without starting the vehicle. Press the button down on the bottom side until you get to the service where it shows how many miles are left. You want to press and hold. Takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Once it starts blinking, you will want to release the button. So release the button. You want to cycle through until you see the service life again. Hold the button in, let go once it stops blinking, and then hold it in again.